Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send snap without media upload on Snapchat. What it simply means is you can actually send a snap without its writing media upload. It's just going to look as if you took the picture live, right? The snap, I mean to say. But before I do that, please click on the subscribe button. It really helps a lot. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Snapchat like this, and you can see this drop down right there, and click on director mode. So you click on that and you can see import media right there. Click on it, and here is a gallery. Pick the photo, click on good, and you can do a preview if you're okay with it. Click on preview, click on send, and what you need to do right here is to pick the person you want to send the snap to. So send to this person, and once it's done, you go check it out, and it's not going to write media upload. Right, very easy and simple to. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and you can subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my next video. Bye.